Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty box reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and the occasional giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, there is a giveaway in honor of our 50th video that is live now. It's good through April 13th. I'll put the link down below with the video that talks all about that. We will also be having another one coming up shortly in honor of our 100th subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Today we are talking about blessbox. Blessbox is a monthly subscription that is obviously sent out to you monthly. It's $29.99 plus $7.50 in shipping. You get between 5 and 15 beauty products for that price. So let's dive into this box. So blessbox is the one box that I'm kind of on the fence about. I don't know if this is going to be my last box. You guys let me know in the comments below if you think it should be or not. So when you open it, looks like this with the cute little tissue paper. Up here it says blessbox, share with us, ready, get, bless. And then it kind of looks like this on the inside. Has obviously a card here that talks about each of the products. So the first product that I am pulling out is by Rodile. It is their Vitamin C Brightening Mask Mini. What this one says is, want instantaneously luminous glowy skin, reveal the dewy youthful skin of your dreams with amazing Vitamin C Brightening Mask from Rodile. This mask is infused with 5% pure vitamin C to smooth fine lines and fade dark spots, plus the fruit AHA's even skin tone. Boost mature and gentle resurfacing your complexion. She loves, the person who wrote this, loves the cooling lightweight gel formula. It's so smoothing to her skin and feels instantaneously brighter, smoother, and more gorgeous. To get the glowing, spread a thin layer of clean skin to avoid your eye area and hairline. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, wash off with lukewarm water, use twice a week. So one of the things with the vitamin C that you guys are gonna want to be really careful about is vitamin C has a really short shelf life. So as soon as you open this, you're gonna wanna use that twice a week pretty quickly, or else this one would go bad, especially for how expensive, 55 bucks for this trial size. Make sure that you are getting your money's worth out of it. So next we have a brand that has been making the rounds recently, and it is the Monica Dar, and it's their Lip Lock Priming Lip Wand in the color cream. I normally don't wear a lot of warm tone colors, so I am going to save this and put it in the upcoming giveaway. I'm not going to break the safety seal, I'm not going to swatch it, nothing. But I do want to tell you a little bit about it. So it retails for $24, and it says, Pucker Up Babe. This month she's sending you each of the Blessed Babes, the perfect creamy lip color for spring. Monica Dar's Lip Lock Priming Lip Wand in Cream is gorgeously soft tea rose shade, perfect for adding a bit of flush to any complexion. This handy lip wand is formulated with built-in lip primer, which we all love, for the smoothest application or pigment and rich, beautiful color all day long. Vitamins A and E and smoothing berry extracts keep your kisser nourished and hydrated. For a beautiful kiss and color that lasts all day, sweep the Monica Dar Cream Lip Locked Priming Lip Wand over your lips, highlighting your Cupid's bow for extra definition. Next we have by Dermala. It is the Patch Me If You Can Targeted Pimple Patches. There's 36 in here, and it retails for $14.99. And we've all been there, you know, you're not supposed to pop a pimple, but sometimes temptation gets the best of you. But popping or picking pimples spreads bacteria and causes inflammation and even scarring. Yikes. So next time you've got a breakout, slap on the Dermala Patch Me If You Can Targeted Pimple Patch and wear your pimple magically disappear. Place a patch on your clean, dry skin directly over a pimple. The patch will absorb oil and pus, stopping the spread of bacteria and reducing inflammation and redness while your skin heals. I don't really have a problem with pimples, but I do have a 17-year-old son. He's got prom coming up, so I will pass this on to him. Here's a product that you can use up to 12 times is the Yes To Coconut Froth Mousse Mask Energizing Coffee Latte. It's soothing and energizing mask, retails for $15.99. Say yes to gorgeous skin. This month, she's bringing you a brand new mask from the cult favorite natural beauty brand Yes To. The Yes To Coconut Frothe Mousse Mask Energizing Coffee Latte with coconut milk. This lightweight whipped mousse mud mask is formalized with energizing skin tightening coffee and moisturizing coconut milk for soothing glowing skin. The lightweight mask is made with 97% natural ingredients and contains absolutely no parabens, SLS, or silicone. Seriously, y'all, this mask is better than your morning latte. And use pouch holds up to 12 mask applications. Apply to clean skin and let the mask work its magic 5 to 10 minutes before gently rinsing with warm water. Now, one of the ingredients in here is caffeine. So I have a question for you all. So I'm allergic to caffeine. It gives me migraines. I know most people it's the opposite way, but it has caffeine in here. So I know if I ingest caffeine, it gives me migraines. Do you think it would do the same if I put it on my skin? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm interested to hear what you guys have to say. So here we have two products by William Rome. It's their Sense brand shower gel as well as the body lotion. They both retail for $5 each. What this one says is this month, she's so excited to bring you all a duo of the two favorite body products from William Rome, Scent Shower Gel and Scent Lotion. Formulated with Minnesota Tamarack Large Tree Extract, this high-performance body wash is always leaving her skin super hydrated, glowing, and velvety soft. I can't get enough of the luxurious cream lather and super fresh, all-natural plant aroma. You already know the drill, lather, rinse, repeat. The Scent Shower Gel is a little luxury to look forward to every morning. And for the lotion, it says the best way to follow up the shower gel with William Rome Scent Shower Gel is a generous layer of William Rome Scent Lotion. The super hydrating body lotion is formulated with the same Minnesota Tamarack Large Tree Extract and botanical ingredients as the shower gel to keep your skin soft, moisturized, and balanced. Plus the delicious fresh light scent courtesy of all natural Plumera raspberry garden balsams and bergamot extracts. For each purchase of Scent's products, William Rome will plant a tree through their partnership with the American Forest Association. How cool is that? So here is kind of a cute little product. I don't know if the light shows it very well. It is 2 pearl hairbands retail for $18.99 from the Bless brand. And this month, she's super excited to bring you all super special custom Bless items, the gorgeous golden pearl hairpins. Pearl accessories are all over the runways and my Instagram feed. They're the hottest look at the moment. And I love a touch of old world elegance and glamour that pearl accessories bring to any look. The pins look so pretty in an updo or holding back a few strands of hair from your pretty faces. And here's kind of what they look like on the back. It's just almost like, you know, a bobby pin type pin to it. Here's a product I'm excited for. It's a House of Lashes Serene Light Style. Retail value is $15. She said, as you all know, the February Bless box was crazy late whenever their items couldn't be shipped by air, and that slowed the whole box down. So sorry for the delay, and to make it all up to you, I wanted to send a little something extra in your March box. You'll find a pair of my favorite lashes. Each of you will either get a pair of Be Rad Boss Babe All Day Faux Mink Lashes, 2 pairs of Ardell Demi Wispies, or a pair of the House of Lashes Serene Light or Demure Light lashes. I got this Serene Light one. The lashes are light and comfortable to wear and add a flirty flutter to any look. Treat your lashes with care and you can rewear them again and again. Store your lashes carefully in the box to keep off dust. Gently remove any stuck on glue with a brush, oil-free makeup remover, or a clean Q-tip. I actually use a little bit of rubbing alcohol on the back, and that seems to take off the glue for me whenever I dip it. So I am excited about these. So here's a little snack for you. It is the Hippa's Vegan White Cheddar. Retails for $1.50. Feeling a late night snack attack coming on? Reach for a bag of Hippa's or organic chickpea puffs. These babies have a satisfying, craveable crunch and a delicious cheesy flavor without the cheese. That's right, they're 100% vegan, certified gluten-free, kosher, non-GMO, and free from nuts and soy. Basically, it's all the good stuff and nothing you don't want. Finally, a crunchy, salty cheese snack I can feel good about. So these will be kind of fun to try out. So if I add everything up, it comes to $143.48. Pretty good deal for only spending $29.99. That $29.99 point though is still kind of expensive to me, I feel, for what you get. I mean, these were kind of sample sizes. You know, this is a sample size. You know, the masks are a full size. This, I don't know, once you open it, yeah, it says it's got 36 in here, but how soon is that going to dry out once you open it from these little notches? So here, this is my problem with blessbox, is I don't know if it's worth the money that I'm spending on it. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts. I do really like the lashes. I do want to give a big shout out to that. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. Hit that like button if you like this video. As always, you guys, I will see you soon, and I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.